sit this way so we're with each other. Okay, so let's take the right arm across the chest and then you're going to lock it with your left. Now what we're going to try and do is to keep the shoulders in line and not take it in one direction. Other way with the left arm. So take the right arm across first. That's it. Straighten as much as possible. Right, so it's coming out. And then you get the left arm and lock it. Make sense? Yeah? And then you're going to look to your right and breathe. And with every exhalation, you're exhaling that right shoulder down. 2 more breaths. Inhale and release. Okay. Left arm across. Keep the arm straight. Take the right arm, lock it. There we are. And then look to your left and breathe. Keep the body upright and keep your core engaged. Two more breaths. And then release. Okay, inhale the arms up. And take the fingers together. Bring the hands behind the back of the head. Okay, it's like you're placing at the back of the neck. Keep the elbows the same width apart as the ears, so they're not coming in front of the face, they're in line with the ears. And then quite simply just going to exhale and the head comes down. Feel that at the back of the neck and the top of the shoulders. And then inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And again, exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And one more. Exhale down. Inhale up. Great. Okay. So release the hands. Okay. Cross the left arm across your chest and then the right arm. Take your hands to the shoulders. I think we did this last week as well. Yeah. So see if you can walk those fingers as far behind as possible. Breathe into the back body. It should be quite easy to feel that sense in the back body and the rib cage at the back. Can you feel that? Yeah. Okay. Then aim to bring backs of the hands together. That's it. Or, one hand could go to the back of the wrist. It's okay. Now, if you feel that you can go even further, see if you can slide it so you bring the palms together. Okay. From here, can you inhale the fingers and arms straight up? And exhale down. And inhale up. And exhale down. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. This breathing is wonderful. And gently release. Take the arms out to the side. Inhale the arms up to prayer above the head. Exhale, hands to heart. We're going to do that 3 more times. Inhale, arms out to the side and up, hands to prayer above the head. Exhale, hands back to heart. Again, inhale and exhale. One more, keep the spine beautifully straight. Good. And exhale, hands to heart. Okay, wonderful. So now, you're going to take the right arm under, across you, and then the left arm over. Hug. Walk the fingers. Just take a couple of breaths into the back body. Bring your mind and consciousness to there. How this is helping to open up. Good. And then you're going to take hands, aiming to get back of hands to back of hand or wrist. Yeah, good. That's fantastic. And then if you can take it even further, see if you can bring palms to palm, or fingers to the palm. Good. Keeping the spine beautifully straight, stay engaged with your core. Let's inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And release. Great. Okay, so dynamic twist. Inhale the arms up, and then you exhale to your right, left hand to right knee, right hand behind. Look over the right shoulder. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right hand to left knee, left hand behind. Inhale, up. Exhale to your right. Slow, steady breathing. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Once more either side. Exhale. Twist over right shoulder. Inhale, up, back to center. And exhale, left. And inhale, up. And exhale, reach those fingers out to the side and hold them there at shoulder height. Give those fingers a little wriggle, and then just begin to circle these arms really slowly. We're going to go 5 times one way. Keep reaching through those fingers. Okay, and now stop and the other way.